Hi there, it's Grant here, and in this video what I'm going to do is just do a very quick review of copy.ai and just sort of show you around so you can see how it works, so you can make a decision of whether copy.ai is for you. I've only recently started using this tool. I'm still on my free trial, but I'm definitely going to upgrade and go to a paid version. Because I really like it. I'm a content creator. I create a lot of content, emails, blog posts, YouTube videos like this, and you know, copy.ai really sort of just helps me comes up with ideas and comes up with drafts of content really quickly. Just saves me a bunch of time. And I'm just going to sort of show you around to see whether it is right for you or not. So if you like this video, why not like it? Why not subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this. So with that said, let's get on with it. So this is copy.ai's homepage. Its tagline, say goodbye to the blank page for good. And in the nutshell, this is what copy.ai does. Experience the full power of an AI content generator that delivers premium results in 10 seconds. This is one of the bigger sort of AI content generators, got over 5 million users, used by some of the biggest brands in the world, got loads of testimonials, and I can attest just through playing with it and using it myself that it is a fabulous tool. So let me go into my members area and let me just show you around. So this is the members area when you log in, and these are basically all the different sort of options you've got. Now when using copy.ai, from my experience of just playing around with it and using it, you're going to want to use the templates because the templates guide you through it step by step. So what I'm going to do is, seeing a lot of people write blog posts, I'm going to use the blog post wizard. So if you want to use this, you click this, you start a new project, enter the title of the project. I'm just going to, sorry, this is all off the top of my head. So I'm just going to, so you've got to give it a title first. Platforms. So I'm just going to put the top marketing platforms for 2023. So I'm just typing one hand because I've got my microphone. And then what you've got to do is just put your keywords in. So you could just type in like Google Ads. This is all off the top of my head, so a lot of this is going to be YouTube ads, Facebook ads. Yeah, so you get the idea, and you can choose your tone of voice. We'll call it professional, and you just press this, and this is like the first stage. And these are all the different sort of subjects it's going to give you. So just click here. It's going to generate talking points. And you can sort of go in and sort of look at them. And you can take things out if you want. Click that and you generate content. In probably under 20 seconds, it's going to produce a blog post outline. And this is basically, what it's knocked out, really impressive. And then what you want to do here, just click that and it's going to create blog post. And this is basically what it creates you, and it's going to be saved to your account. I'm not going to read it because I don't want to bore you, but as you can see, it's professionally read. So basically what you can do is you can take this, copy it, you can just edit it here, or you can copy it to a Word document and get your team or yourself to advertise it. So, this just eliminates writer's block. Obviously, the better you can communicate to it, the better the content is going to put out. But I'm quite impressed. For knocking out a piece of content, this is pretty good. I'm just flick reading it. But yeah, this is a great, it's a great tool to get you going. And then obviously if you want to go back to your members area, you can go here. and your projects are going to be sort of down here. So yeah, so that is, you know, and you've got all sorts. Let me just take you back. You've got all sorts of different templates here. You've got email templates, social media content, you know, website copy, sales landing page, about us copy. You know, you've got a writing tool, case studies, video, which is something I use a lot. You know, it's basically an incredible time-saving tool. So I've only been using it for a short time, but I really like it. I'm definitely going to keep it as one of my tools. I use Jasper.ai as well, which I think is great. It's very similar to this, but I really like this tool. It just saves me a bunch of time coming up with content and ideas, and it gives me outlines so I can go and tweak and sort of put my own sort of spin on it. So at the moment, I get a big thumbs up for Copy.ai. If you're looking for, you know, an AI generator content tool that helps you get rid of writer's block and comes up with drafts quickly without spending hours over a draft, this is going to save you a bunch of time for you and your team. So if you want to get your free trial for Copy.ai, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link down in the description. You can click on that and sign up for a free trial and choose the plan that meets your needs the best. I'm going to be creating more videos like this. I'm going to be doing tutorials showing you, you know, all the different templates over time. But I hope you found this video useful and informative, and you can see the power of this tool and how quickly you can knock high quality content out for you. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll speak to you soon.